how to do a block blast glitch. So this new glitch, you will not lose again. So as you can see, we have 60 of each to complete. It's much more. So keep playing until you lose. Now after you lose, as you can see, now just go back and now quit the game to be able to open it again. And now to open it again. So now after we open the game, now after that tap on adventure to go back to our mission. Now as you can see here, tap on the level that you are in. And now as you can see from the last they gave us 60 of each. Now as you can see they gave us a little more, as you can see. So now it's easy to complete these tasks. So as you can see, this is the new glitch, so you can't lose again. So if they give you like this a much more of this and you can't complete it, just keep going until you lose. Now quit the game, open the game, and they will give you less more than they give you from the first. So this is the new glitch on the Block Blast to get high score. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.